Everyone. My name is Shar, and I'm from Life and Legacy with Shar. So, as the millennial, one of my favorite hobbies is taking personality quizzes. I love MBTI, Enneagram, and even BuzzFeed quizzes. I enjoy them, and this is why I also love creating personality quizzes for different organizations. And I realize I can also do that for my financial advisor journey and also in helping my clients discover who they are and exploring money wounds that we all have and ways to also be more empowered financially. So in this video, a lot of people has already sent me a message on how I create these quizzes. It's not just from my FA friends, but also from friends in other organizations because again, I love creating these personality quizzes. So I'm gonna give you a walkthrough on how I do it as a financial advisor, adding more value to my clients and prospects. So first, let me go ahead and share my screen and show you what the quiz looks like right now. So this is my Pinoy archetype money. Let me just refresh this so we go back to the first page. Okay, bear with me. I'm doing this real time. So let's just go ahead. Okay, there we go. So just focusing on the components. Again, I'm on my desktop, but it will resize when you're on your mobile phone. And the goal here is to help clients and prospects discover how they budget and how they make decisions in terms emotionally and also rationally. So I just have 10 questions ready here. And as you can see, there's already my link here. This link, when you click it, leads you to this form. And this form will give me an idea on where you are right now, who you want to secure first, and what you want to learn more about. And why is this relevant? Because again, we are creating newsletters, we are creating journals, planners, then we might as well curate it so that it actually is helpful for our clients and our prospects. So going back to the quiz, this is the quiz that I have. Kapag sweldo day, A, B, C, D, very simple questions, but it's gonna give you an idea on who you are. So I'm just randomly selecting all of these things and see where it leads to. And then the result shows future architect. You're disciplined, goal-oriented, and always planning ahead. Your focus on long-term stability means you're building a solid financial foundation. And of course, everyone, no matter what personality you are in terms of budgeting, has its pros and its cons. So, for example, if you're someone very disciplined, you might need a little bit more fun. And that is also something that you need to learn. And that's what the full report will give you. And again, when you click the Get Full Report, and it's an incentive for everyone who is signing up to Life and Legacy Letters. So for you, it's going to be your own form, your own way of communicating with your clients. And this is what you'll get, the one that I have shown you earlier. So how did I create this quiz? Gen AI is there to help you. And again, Canva is there to help you. So if you're still not signed up via Canva Pro, this is your sign. I'm not affiliated. I'm not an ambassador. I'm an advocate. I've been using Canva since I can remember. And up until now, we love Canva. We love how they are supporting us in EchoShop PH. And this is why I continue to use it as well as it is growing. Now, all you have to do is to create a prompt. This is a very simple prompt that I have. Of course, the rule of the thumb is specify. The more specific the prompt is, the better it is, the more unique the result is, and also the more it aligns with your branding, with your tone. So you have to be very specific. The more specific, the better. I will go ahead and also include a prompt guide. Just check the description. I will go ahead and add a prompt buddy tool, and then it will guide you on how you could create better prompts as well. So all you have to do is click go. And Canva will do it for you, Canva AI. That's how beautiful AI is right now. And it will do the designing for you. Again, we don't need a very complicated website for this. All you have to do is find a way that clients would actually want to take the test. So it has to be something that aligns with them as well. That's why I'm telling you, you have to figure out who your clients are, who you want to reach out to, so that the content and the information you're giving out is also relevant to them. So while waiting, oh, it's fast. Okay, thank you so much, Globe. So this is a very basic quiz. Of course, as you can see, I have like what, two sentence prompt. This one is not even a sentence. So obviously, if you're gonna make it more cleaner, and more specific, then you will have a design that is more right up your alley. Like the way mine shows, it's very on brand with my Zoom background, as you can see. So that's the goal. You have to really be specific about your brand visuals and your tone. But let's go ahead and just discover this, explore this result. I just want to show you how beautiful Canva AI is for you as a content creator and, of course, as a financial advisor. So loading quiz, I think it's not working right now because the options are still not there. So all you have to do is to modify, create the questions yourself, self, and blah blah. But for me, I really specified what kind of persona I wanted, and the kind and described the kind of behavior they have, and that's why mine has specific information. And then I allow Gen AI to improve on my tool. So this is just step one. You will have to refine. You will have to create something beautiful that also aligns with you self and show the final result or something like that. So while we're waiting, I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the deck that I have here. First, before I even send out, let's say someone signed up. You will see that in your response sheet. Then go ahead and send them an email. So this is a sample of how I welcome a new member of the community. I'm so glad you're here. As we enter November, I want to take a moment to thank you for trusting me to be your financial advisor and allowing me to be part of your journey toward a more intentional life and legacy. Again, this doesn't have to be exactly like how it is. The reason why this is how it sounds like, because that's how I intend my financial advisor journey to be. It has to be intentional, empathic, and of course, inclusive. And this is exactly the reason why the tone of my emails are like this. And then inside this month's email, you will see three links. So again, I'm going to show you three samples, and I hope this is going to encourage you as well, so that we could add more value, because of course, everyone wants to empower and help each other. And this is the fastest way to help your clients as well. So for me, this deck, I designed it with someone in mind because she reached out to me and said, Ate Shar, gusto kong magpa-insure kaso hindi ko alam kung anong insurance bang kukunin. So, she wanted guidance on which insurance plan to get. And I understand as her financial advisor, that is my role. But I also want to empower her and educate her so that she could also make decisions on her own. I can provide the first plan, but I also want to empower her to make better decisions in the future. And this is why I created this deck. So this is like Insurance 101, and I have four pillars of financial peace. And I also acknowledged how we have myths growing up. We have wounds as well. And just this is like Insurance 101 hand holding edition. And then I realized I could just send this out to everyone else. So during the November newsletter, I went ahead and included this. But this is really November's financial journal edition. I was focusing on gratitude and grounding because the year is about to end. And it's just good to find a safe space to think about how we deal with money. And this is also aligned with the Pinoy money archetype that I have been designing. I have that in mind already. So when I release the website, this is the tone and this is already the direction my clients and I are going, and the people who have signed up for my newsletter. And of course, just a quick way to reach out to everyone and just let them know that hello, I'm here. I'm not ghosting you. I'm not that kind of advisor. And this is why newsletter are very important for our industry because it really establishes trust and reminds our clients that hey, we're here. If you need us, you can always call us. And for this month, I allowed my clients, gave them a lot of space to work, reflect, and all of this are things that they could just work on their own without me. But if they need to get in touch with me, then they can do so. I've just recently done a financial wellness conversation with an existing client, just to give her an idea on the next few steps that we can do. And that's because of this journal. And that is the purpose of why we keep providing value to our clients because sometimes they also need that guide. Our job does not end the moment we close a plan, but it's just the beginning of our relationship with the client. So again, these are just workbooks. You can create your own and just keep in mind and schedule everything. For example, it's already November 21st, then your December planner or journal should be ready, or at least in its final form already, almost near final form, so that when it's December, you can welcome everyone with another email and then send them another planner that they can work on so that they know you are there anytime, any season. They can reach out to you, especially when it comes to financial planning. So I'm just sharing this just to give you an idea, some ideas on what I'm doing, and hopefully this helps. I've added additional links as well, and here's a sample email. As soon as I launched the website, I also sent everyone an update that they could also take the quiz. So clients should could also know that I'm thinking about them, they also feel protected. And of course, the most important part here is that they are even more empowered to make decisions in the future. And of course, if you just need a quick guide, I have created one via Notion. I'll add this link as well. And here's the flow of what I've done, of everything that I've talked about. If you want a summarized version, then you can just go ahead and skip and review this part here. So that's about it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll add my email address as well. And if you found this video helpful for your journey, wherever industry you might be in, then feel free to click on the link. You could buy me a coffee as energy exchange as well. This has been Shar, and I wish you well, and let's all move in abundance.